So friends, for today's instant oats idli, here are the ingredients. Here I have 1 cup of oats, 1/4 cup of fine rava or semolina, 2 tablespoons of chopped up cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon of udid dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of asafotedia or hing, a few curry leaves, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, and this is the juice of half a lime or lemon. I'm also going to be using half a cup of curd, dahi or yogurt, and about 1/4 cup of water, and some salt to taste, and 1 packet of Eno salts. Now first I'm going to roast the oats in a pan for about 5 minutes on a low to medium heat, stirring continuously. And after that, once it comes back to room temperature, we're going to grind it to a fine powder. Now once this is done, we're going to empty this fine powder into a bowl. Now I'm going to just wipe my pan clean, and I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Now once the oil is hot on a low to medium flame, I'm going to add the mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds begin to pop, we're going to add the udid dal, the cashew nuts, the hing or asafotedia, and we're going to fry this well. Next we're going to add the curry leaves. Again, fry the curry leaves too. Then we're going to add the onion. I've just roughly chopped the onion, and we're going to fry that well too till the onion becomes nice and translucent. Now we're going to add the semolina or the rava. Now I'm using this fine rava which I always use for all my recipes, but if you have the medium sized rava, just grind it to a finer consistency in your mixer pot. Now we'll fry everything really well till you start to get the aroma of the semolina. So fry this on a low to medium heat for at least a whole 5 minutes. Now I'm just going to add a teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter. This adds a lovely flavor to these idlis. And now once it's nice and fried, we're going to turn off the heat, and we're going to add this mixture to the oats that we ground. Now give everything a nice mix so that everything gets well incorporated and everything is really mixed well together. Now we're going to add some salt to taste. Again, mix the mixture well. And now we're going to add the dahi and mix it well. Now I do have a recipe of how I make my own curd and dahi at home. I'll leave a link below. Otherwise, you can just search dahi recipe or curd recipe, Akshada's recipes, and you'll get my recipe. So mix all of this really well together. And now we're going to add water, but add little water at a time because we want to get a thick paste, not a very runny paste. So I've used just about less than 1/4 cup also. Now I'm going to add the lime juice. We want a batter like this, thick, a real thick batter. Now keep your steamer ready at this point, and also grease the idli plates with ghee. I've added the Eno salts, and immediately when you add the Eno, mix it up well and then add it to the idli tray instantaneously. Don't wait. The minute you add the Eno salt to it, immediately you want to mix it and add it to the idli tray. And now we're just going to put it into our steamer. And now I'm going to, so the steamer should be ready in advance. You should put enough water in it and let the water come to a nice boil. And now we're just going to steam this on a high flame for 15 minutes. Now keep an eye on it. Put a, alarm on your, or a timer on your phone, and keep it for exactly 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, let the steamer come to, a room temperature completely. Let the idli stands also come to room temperature completely before you demold it. And only once that is done, you demold it and you get these beautiful idlis. Now I'm serving it with the lasun chutney. I'll leave a link for that, and I'll leave a link for my coconut chutney also, so you can make either of the two. And these are really delicious. So give them a try, guys.
I hope you like today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.